Welcome to your mini yoga adventure. Take a deep breath. Bring your hands together in Namaste, and let's begin this beautiful yoga journey. Prepare your body and mind. Start with the butterfly pose. Feel your hips open and relax like fluttering wings. Do this for 10 seconds. Now stretch your spine, arch like a cat, then look up like a happy cow. Do this for 10 seconds. Reach to the sky and stretch sideways. Feel your body wake up. Do this for 10 seconds. Stand tall like a tree, strong, calm, and balanced. Do this for 10 seconds. Turn and twist gently, like saying hello to your shoulder. Do this for 10 seconds. Hug your knees and feel your back relax. It's like giving yourself a big hug. Do this for 10 seconds. Hold your feet like a happy baby. Giggle and relax your hips. Do this for 10 seconds. Roll your shoulders back. Release all the tension and feel light. Do this for 10 seconds. Stretch your arms forward and feel your back lengthen. Do this for 10 seconds. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and smile. You did amazing today. Do this for 10 seconds. You did wonderful today. Just a few minutes of yoga can make your whole day brighter. Take a deep breath and say Namaste. End your session with calm and gratitude.